Hello everyone, let's open today's file. How to draw lines, principle of curved lines, and bottom bar. Okay, I have already opened it. First, we have a look at the tools bar here, the left side. You can see there are many tools we can choose and use, right? And the first thing you need to know, for each of them, the left click and the right click on your mouse means different command. For example, the points. If we just try left click on your mouse, and we can draw a single point, right? If we right click your mouse, you can draw a lot of points, right? And press enter when you're done the command. Okay. And you can see there are many triangle shapes on the right hand corners here. You can see. It means there are many head options you can choose. You can choose single point, multiple points, extract points, closest point, right? We practice these commands later. And we go to the polyline. Left click, you are drawing a polyline. If it's selected, you can say it's a closed straight line, right? But if we right click your mouse, what will happen? Let's try it. Select it. It will say only a segment of your line is selected because you can read it at here. If you right click it, it is a line segments. So we did line segments command. And also, if you drag your commas here, draw a line from midpoint. Let's try it. You will say you can draw a line from midpoint, right? And draw a line from normal to surface. Let's try this one, an interesting command. Read the comment if you don't know how to use this. Select surface or polysurface for normal line. Let's select it and find the start point of the line. Okay, you can draw it in two directions. Let me try one. You will find when you draw a line, it is vertical to your surface, right? Let's try the curved lines. Okay. Basically, draw a curved line like this. And also, if you select your line, you can say there are many points to judge your lines. Go this way, this way, this way. If you didn't click on your gumball, if you click it off, you won't have your gumball and you can drag it more smooth, but I suggest turn it on. Okay, let's listen and try other options. The second one, interpolate points. What does this mean? Right here, start of curve. Okay, let's draw it. There are some different things to this one, right? If you say for this one, the points is outside of your lines. It only provides you way when you draw it. It's like a direction, right? But for this one, for this command, the line is through your point when you click. Okay. Hope you can understand it, guys. And let's try an interesting comment. Interpolate curve on surface. Okay. Select a surface, and you can draw something on the surface. It's very interesting, right? If you just choose this one, you find you can't draw it on. Okay. And there is another way to draw your lines on this surface, on any surface actually. Because this surface have some angle to your Z-plane. What is Z-plane means? Z-plane means, can you see this grease on the background in your windows? This is a Z-plane. It's like a very original and very basic line that gives you X, Y, Z coordinates. Okay. Another way we can draw your lines on these surfaces. Let's go to Z-planes option here. You will find many tools at this bar too. They have many options similar to your left side. So we don't need to worry now. I will introduce this bar later. So select the Z-planes first and select Set Z-plane to Surface. Okay, select Surface to Orange Z-plane 2. Okay, Original or Price Center to Accept Default. Okay, we need to draw it first. Okay, you will find the Z-plane is in this surface direction. Okay, delete some circles, and you will find you can draw a circle on it or polygon, right? It's very interesting. And then how to make the Z-plane fall back, right? Let me show you. We just go Viewport Layout, this option. And we are using the right click is for default viewports command. Click once, it will go back. Click twice, you will find the Z-plane go to the original settings, right? It's very useful, and this is the easiest way that your Z-plane go back. Okay, guys, hope you can understand what I taught you, okay? And let's say the other comments. This is how to draw a circle, and you can draw a circle by other ways, and you can try them. Many ways to draw a rectangle shape. So you basically can know if you want to draw lines, it's on the top of the toolbars. And these are how to draw surface. This one is edit your curve. Let's have a look how to edit your curves.